watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab, Raigada. Nabarangpur. On the 9th of July 2022, lightning struck at Bhimaguda in Bhatrasiuni panchayat under Nabarangpur block, killing a 35-year-old lady. The area close to Bhimaguda Primary School was reportedly being worked on a cropping field by 7 to 8 women, including Dayamani, the wife of Guptmali of Bhimaguda village. It began to rain and thunder in the late afternoon. One of the women farming rice at the time, Dayamani, was electrocuted by lightning strike. When the people heard the information, they rushed to the location and evicted Dayamani off the land. They called 108 ambulance and were taken from the spot to the hospital. She was declared dead by the doctor there. Dayamani is having only one son who is reading in class 3. Reports from Simadri Patnaik, Sigma Media Lab, Koraput and Nabarangpur Zone, Odisha.